Are you struggling to get more views on your YouTube videos? You're not alone. But don't worry, I've got some quick tips to help you skyrocket those views. First, focus on your thumbnail. An eye-catching thumbnail can make all the difference. Use bold colors, clear images, and text that captures attention. Remember, your thumbnail is often the first impression viewers will have. Next, optimize your video title. Use relevant keywords that people are searching for. A compelling title can entice viewers to click and watch. Think about what would make you want to click. Don't forget about the description. Write a detailed description that not only includes keywords, but also provides value. This helps with searchability and gives viewers a clear idea of what to expect. Engage with your audience. Encourage viewers to leave comments, ask questions, and share your videos. Responding to comments can create a community around your channel, leading to more views over time. Lastly, promote your videos on social media. Share clips, teasers, and links to your full video on platforms where your audience hangs out. Collaboration with other creators can also introduce your content to new viewers. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more insights on growing your YouTube presence. Happy creating!